Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss the static GK questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers. There it would be helpful for your exam. And also enroll the mocks. We are providing 5 latest pattern TISSNET mocks for rupees just 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these mocks for better practice. Let's start with the first question. Who had used the term ecology first time? The correct answer is C. Ernest Haeckel. Let's see the another question. A data warehouse is always. The correct answer is A. Subject oriented. Let's see the another question. A common fluorescent tube contain. The correct answer is mercury vapor. Let's check the another question. Diagram is a mean of contraception. It is fixed. The correct answer is first A, that is over cervix. Let's check the another question. Who founded the Vikramshila University? The correct answer is Dharampala. Let's check the another question. The Vedas, Upanishads, Purans and Dharam Sutras are all written in which language? The correct answer is D, Sanskrit. Let's check the another question. In which form of government each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value? The correct answer is democratic. Let's check the another question. At the time of emergency in 1975, who was serving as the President of India? The correct answer is B. Farukhuddin Ali Ahmad. The Indian emergency of 25th June 1975 till 21st March 1977. It was a 21-month period. Let's check the another question. Which is the oldest Indian philosophy? The correct answer is Sankhya. D option. Let's check the another question. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveil the statue of Sir Chotu Ram? The correct answer is D. Haryana. Let's check the another question. Who has led the October Revolution? The correct answer is Vladimir Lenin. C option. Let's check the another question. Bimbisara was the contemporary of which religious sage? The correct answer is C. Gautam Buddha. Let's check the another question. Vikram Samvat was started in which year? The correct answer is A. 57 BC. Let's check the another question. In which state is the Mithila painting practiced? The correct answer is C. Bihar. Let's check the another question. How many Mahajanpadas existed in ancient India? The correct answer is A. 16. Let's check the another question. Which political party has the party symbol clock? The correct answer is B. Nationalist Congress Party. Let's check the another question. Panchayat Raj system was introduced in India which year? The correct answer is D. 1959. Let's check the another question. National Foundation for Communal Harmony was set up in which year? The correct answer is B, 1992. Let's check the another question. Who administers the oath of President of India? The correct answer is Chief Justice of India. Let's check the another question. What is the name of the Digibook launched by the Atal Innovation Mission of Niti Ayog in October 2021? The correct answer is C, Innovation for You. Hope the video will help you in preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for the instant notification. All the best. Thank you.